Hi everyone, it's Steve here. Thanks for tuning into my review. Before we dive into it, if you are interested in having my coach build your entire internet marketing business and guide you until you reach $10,000 per month, then you need to check out the first link in the description. Now let's get back to the review. When you grab this product from the second link in the description, you will automatically receive 4 fantastic bonuses. Bonus number 1, I will show you my proven method in how to get 250,000 fresh email subscribers every single week. This is no gimmick. It's just a straightforward guidance on where to find them and how to use them with your self-hosted autoresponder. This is something that I would help you set up for as low as $3 to $12 per month. This becomes very affordable, even with an email list of over 5 million subscribers. Number 2, you will discover the free traffic method that I am currently using to drive tons of visitors to my websites, offers and blogs. This bonus will be delivered to you at no extra cost, but only when you buy this product. Number 3, this is the YouTube video ranking guide, which will show you the secrets to ranking your YouTube videos first on the platform. It will ensure maximum visibility and traffic to your offers. Bonus number 4, you will get your own offers to promote. I'm going to give you one of my coach's top selling courses, the Empire course. You get 100% commission throughout the sales funnel to promote this Empire course as your own. If you're eager to access these bonuses, check out the product that I'm reviewing right now, then you need to click the second link in the description. And remember, if you're serious about building an internet marketing business, the first link is where you need to go. Okay, let's see what this product is really all about. Don't forget to check out those links.
Are you tired of juggling multiple AI tools? Searching for the perfect solution to launch your AI tools website and monetize it effectively? Look no further, because AI Vault is here to revolutionize your journey. AI Vault is not just another AI tool. It's a comprehensive platform that empowers you to launch your own AI tools website loaded with 40+ powerful AI tools and monetize it in multiple ways. Let's dive into the world of possibilities AI Vault brings to your fingertips. Launch multiple AI tools websites with AI Vault. You have the freedom to launch multiple AI tool websites, each catering to a specific niche or audience. Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit and create a network of income streams. Monetize your website's AI Vault opens the doors to various monetization opportunities. Comprehensive AI Tools AI Vault offers an impressive array of 40+ AI tools at your disposal. AI Chatbot provide exceptional customer support and assistance with an intelligent chatbot that handles inquiries 24/7. Advanced Designer app creates stunning designs with ease using the Advanced Designer app and a vast library of customizable templates. Content generation effortlessly generate AI-powered content, including videos, emails, blog posts, and social media updates, saving you time and effort. Analytics and Insights gain valuable insights into your audience and business performance, enabling data-driven decisions for optimal growth. Imagine the possibilities when you harness the power of AI Vault. Look at John, who launched his AI tools website focused on graphic design, attracting clients from all over the world. And Lisa created an AI tools website for language translation, revolutionizing the way businesses communicate globally. Now it's your turn to write your success story. With AI Vault, you have the tools, the platform, and the guidance to launch your own AI tools website, monetize it effectively, and achieve financial freedom. Join the AI Vault community and unlock your true potential in the AI revolution. Click the button below now to lock in your discount and claim your bonuses before the price goes up, and embark on your own magical content creation journey. With the commercial license and the 30-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Step into a world where content creation becomes a breeze and watch your business soar to new heights.